Good morning, everyone. I am Harshit, your tech host, and welcome to the Daily Tech News Bulletin brought to you by IT Voice. In today's news, we will be covering news about PhonePe partners with eSeva and Hotel Association of Nepal, HAN Pokhara. Apple issues mercenary spyware alert to users in 92 countries. OpenAI enhances ChatGPT with GPT-4 Turbo model. Google introduces Gemini LLM Ultra 1.0 to OnePlus and Oppo phones. Google Workspace introduces AI-powered video creation tool Wits. Meta rolls out Meta AI chatbot to Indian users. Apple prepares to launch M4 series MacBooks with AI features and more. To skip to any particular news story, use the chapters below. And don't forget to subscribe to IT Voice and stay up to date on all the latest tech news. PhonePe teams up with eSeva and HAN Pokhara to promote UPI on the PhonePe network during the Feva New Year Festival. Festival runs from 11th April to 14th April, attracting over 1 lakh visitors, including Indian tourists. On ground activations aim to raise digital payment awareness among local merchants and demonstrate convenience for customers. Partnership revolutionizes Nepal's digital landscape, ensuring PhonePe customers can transact seamlessly during the festival. eSeva CEO emphasizes enhancing digital payment ecosystem for merchants and consumers, fostering convenient solutions. Apple alerts users in 92 countries, including India, regarding state sponsored hackers attempting to access iPhones. Attacks are sophisticated, targeting specific individuals and devices with significant financial cost and short detection windows. Users advised to enable lockdown mode, update iOS, and seek expert assistance if targeted. Company relies on internal threat intelligence and investigations to detect and mitigate such attacks. Users cautioned against opening links or attachment from unknown senders, enhancing device security in light of potential threats. OpenAI improves ChatGPT with GPT-4 Turbo model trained on data up to December last year. Available to paid users, enhanced capabilities in writing, maths, logical reasoning, and coding, catering to diverse user needs. Model accessible via ChatGPT Plus, Team, Enterprise, and API subscriptions. OpenAI leverages over a million hours of YouTube videos to train GPT-4 model, ensuring robust performance. OpenAI encourages user feedback, continuous investment in AI model advancement. Google brings Gemini LLM Ultra 1.0 to OnePlus and Oppo phones, enhancing AI capabilities for users. Ultra version powers Gemini advanced chatbot, delivering useful replies based on complex tasks and context. Gemini LLM has several tiers, with Ultra being the most capable cloud based version, catering to diverse user needs. Additional Google Cloud AI features expected for OnePlus and Oppo phones, details to be announced gradually. Partnership signifies OnePlus and Oppo's embrace of AI technology, catering to evolving user demands. Google Workspace unveils Wits, an AI-based video creation tool enhancing video creation capabilities for businesses. Users can add voiceovers, choose templates, collaborate, and share videos seamlessly within Workspace suite. Wits expected to release in June 2024 without the need for a paid add-on, targeting broad user accessibility. Platform caters to diverse business needs, including HR onboarding, training materials creation, and client engagement. Cost-effective and time-saving feature enables small businesses to create professional quality videos without specialized skills. Meta AI chatbot now accessible to Indian users, powered by Llama 2 large language model, visible in main chat list. Leveraging advanced language model research, Meta AI offers sophisticated conversation capabilities for enhanced user experience. Hinted collaboration with Microsoft's Bing Chat suggests potential integration of real-time web results for comprehensive responses. Meta encourages user interaction, aiming to refine AI chatbots' performance based on user feedback and usage patterns. Apple gearing up to introduce M4 series MacBooks featuring AI capabilities following the recent M3 lineup launch. AI expected to be a core component of Apple's future devices and ecosystem, catering to evolving user expectations. M4 series poised to refresh all Mac models, including iMacs, MacBook Pros, and Mac Minis, with enhanced AI-driven functionalities. Apple's strategic focus on AI reflects efforts to stimulate Mac sales amidst recent declines, aiming to entice users with advanced features. More details expected at WWDC 2024 in June, potentially signaling Apple's broader AI roadmap and future product lineup enhancements. This is Harshit signing off. Stay tuned and subscribe to IT Voice for the latest tech news.
नमस्ते दोस्तों, मैं हूं विघ्नेश, आपका डिजिटल साथी। आज एबीसी ऑफ बिल्डिंग ऑनलाइन बिजनेस सीरीज में हम एक्सप्लोर करेंगे कैसे कजाबी और किकस्टार्टर, ये दो टूल्स आपके क्रिएटिव आइडियाज और बिजनेस प्रोजेक्ट्स को शेप और प्रमोट करते हैं। कजाबी दोस्तों एक ऑल इन वन क्रिएटर प्लेटफॉर्म है जो कि आपको ऑनलाइन कोर्सेज, मेंबरशिप और कोचिंग प्रोग्राम क्रिएट और सेल करने में हेल्प करता है। इसमें आपको मिलते हैं टूल्स फॉर वेबसाइट बिल्डिंग, ईमेल मार्केटिंग एंड प्रोडक्ट क्रिएशन, मेकिंग योर ऑनलाइन बिजनेस जर्नी सीमलेस। और अब बात करते हैं किकस्टार्टर की। ये क्राउड फंडिंग प्लेटफॉर्म है जहां पे क्रिएटर्स अपने क्रिएटिव, टेक्नोलॉजिकल और इनोवेटिव प्रोजेक्ट्स के लिए सपोर्ट गैदर कर सकते हैं। ये एक मजेदार तरीका है मार्केट डिमांड टेस्ट करने का और फंड्स गैदर करने का बिना ट्रेडिशनल इन्वेस्टमेंट के। तो दोस्तों, आज के एपिसोड में देखिए हमने कजाबी और किकस्टार्टर के कुछ खास फीचर्स। मैं हूं विघ्नेश, साइनिंग ऑफ। मिलते हैं अगले एपिसोड में अल्फाबेट एल के साथ।